Students, this video is going to revise the concepts of Introduction to AI, which is the first unit of the Artificial Intelligence curriculum of CBSE Code 417. The multiple choice questions have been created around the unit Introduction to AI. This will help you in revising the contents of your first unit. Question 1. Contact tracing is a dash-enabled feature that is keeping us safe from the disease. Option A, artificial intelligence. Option B, machine. Option C, human. Option D, none of the above. So students, what do you think the correct option is going to be? The correct option is artificial intelligence. Contact tracing, as we all know, is an artificially intelligent feature that is keeping us safe from the disease. We all are aware and we all in our families have used the Arogya Setu app, which has been tracking the people around us for COVID-19. So we all have experienced this in our real life situation also. Second question is, AI is a tool that makes human lives easier. Is this true or false? We all have seen the uses of artificial intelligence, so definitely this is true. The third question states, among the following, what are some applications in your everyday life which are powered by artificial intelligence? And the options are social media recommendations, Google Assistant, C. electric guitar, D. motion sensor light. The correct responses are social media recommendations and Google Assistant. Question 4 is, AI can help us achieve incredible accuracy in many. Option A, real world problems. B, accessibility problems. C, both of the above, A and B. D, none of these. So students, what do you think the correct option is going to be? The correct option for the above question is real world problems. Artificial intelligence can help us achieve incredible accuracy in many real world problems. Fill in the blank question. Dash means man-made and does not happen naturally. A very simple question. And the options are A. Intelligence, B. Artificial, C. Natural, D. Native. And the correct answer is artificial. Artificial means man-made and which does not happen naturally. Sixth question. A machine develops its intelligence on the basis of the dash that is provided to it. And the options are A. Data, B. Code. So students, what do you think? Is it data or is it code? And the correct answer, as you all have guessed it, is data. Question number 7. Artificial intelligence does not have cognitive abilities. Do you think it is true or do you think it's false? And the correct response for artificial general intelligence does not have cognitive abilities is false. Artificial general intelligence has got cognitive abilities. Eighth question. Siri, Cortana, Google Assistant are all examples of artificial dash type of intelligence as they are meant to perform only tasks of a personal assistant like scheduling. Options are A. Normal, B. Narrow, C. General, D. Fast. So students, what's the correct option? And the correct Answer is narrow. Siri, Cortana, Google Assistant, they are all examples of artificial narrow intelligence, as they perform only the task of a personal assistant. Hence, the term narrow fits in here. So, it is an artificial narrow intelligence. Ninth question. AI can analyze massive amounts of data and observe past trends to make predictions about the best possible options for better field productivity. Is this statement true or false? And this statement is true, as we all know that artificial intelligence works on data. Again, a true and false question. Artificial intelligence cannot assist in the healthcare industry. What do you think, students? Is this true or false? It is false. Artificial intelligence is widely accepted in the healthcare industry and it plays a very important role. So we cannot agree with the statement that AI cannot assist in the healthcare industry. 11th question. AI robots have intelligently automated most of the processes in manufacturing automobiles. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. We can see how robots are used in manufacturing automobiles. You visit any manufacturing site for automobiles, you are going to find out how robots, without getting tired, have been working in the factories for assembling of the parts of automobiles. 12th question. Chatbots are used to respond to frequently asked questions by customers. True or false? This statement is true. Students, you must have seen chatbots on all the websites which are serving the public. Most of the websites you see, they have got a chatbot and they have been fed with answers to the frequently asked questions. So this is avoiding the human intervention. It is the artificial intelligent machines which are responding to questions which are being asked by customers. Question 13. Which of the following areas of art can artificial intelligence be used? The options are music making, commercial art, and C, EDM. D option is all of the above. Artificial intelligence can be found in all the above mentioned options for making music, for commercial art, for electronic dance and music. Question 14. Which of the following do not come under AI domain? Option A, statistical data. Option B, machine learning. Option C, NLP. Option D, computer vision. And the correct response is machine learning. Machine learning is not under AI domain. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. 15th question. The ability of a machine to mimic human traits like make decisions, predict the future, learn and improve on its own are said to have option A, informative intelligence, option B, knowledge intelligence, option C, artificial intelligence, option D, emotional intelligence. And the correct response is artificial intelligence. It is the ability of a machine to mimic human traits like making decisions, predicting the future, learning and improving on its own. Question number 16. Mohit is good at measuring and understanding numerical symbols. abstraction, and logic. He possesses dash intelligence. Option A, linguistic intelligence. Option B, mathematical intelligence. C, existential intelligence. And D, spatial visual intelligence. Correct response is mathematical intelligence. As has been correctly said, understanding numerical symbols, abstraction, and logic, these all come under the trait of mathematical intelligence. 17th question. Ankit possesses language processing skills both in terms of understanding or implementation in writing or verbally speaking. He has dash intelligence, linguistic intelligence, option B, mathematical intelligence, option C, existential intelligence, option D, spatial visual intelligence. The correct response is linguistic intelligence. Taruna has the ability to perceive the visual world and the relationship of one object to another. Identify her intelligence type. A. Is it linguistic intelligence? B. Is it mathematical intelligence? Option C. Existential intelligence. And option D. Spatial visual intelligence. This question talks about Taruna's ability to perceive the visual world and relationships with other objects. So the correct option is spatial visual intelligence. 19th question. People having the ability to use their limbs in a skilled manner depict dash type of intelligence. Option A, kinesthetic intelligence. Option B, naturalistic intelligence. Option C, existential intelligence. Option D, spatial visual intelligence. So what kind of intelligence is this? The correct response is kinesthetic intelligence, where a person is able to use his hands, legs in proper skilled manner. It is referred to as kinesthetic intelligence. Monita is able to recognize and create music. Monita has dash type of intelligence. A. Kinesthetic intelligence. B. Naturalistic intelligence. C. Musical intelligence. D. Spatial visual intelligence. And this is musical intelligence. Gunjan is well aware of herself. She knows about her weaknesses, strengths, and understands her feelings. She is showing to have dash type of intelligence. A. Kinesthetic intelligence. B. Naturalistic intelligence. C. Interpersonal intelligence. D. Intrapersonal intelligence. What's the correct option? And the correct option is intrapersonal intelligence. She is self-aware of herself. It is intrapersonal intelligence. My mother depicts this type of intelligence. She is religious and spiritual. A option, kinesthetic intelligence. B, naturalistic intelligence. C, existential intelligence. D, intrapersonal intelligence. And this type of intelligence is referred to existential intelligence. The ability of people to relate to the ability to process information on the environment around us. This type of intelligence is referred to as, and the options are A. Kinesthetic intelligence, B. Naturalistic intelligence, C. Existential intelligence, D. Intrapersonal intelligence. The answer to this is naturalistic intelligence. The intelligence, which is the ability to communicate with others by understanding other people's feelings and being able to influence the other person. A. Interpersonal intelligence. B. Naturalistic intelligence. C. Existential intelligence. D. Intrapersonal intelligence. The correct response is interpersonal intelligence. Fill in the blank question. The basis of dash making depends upon the availability of information and how we experience and understand it. The options are A. Decision, B. Confusion, C. Ambiguity, D. Information. And the correct response is decision. The basis of decision making depends upon the availability of information and how we experience and understand it. 26th question. Machines become intelligent by A. Training, B. Information, option C. Both of the above, both A and B, option D. None of the above. We are aware to make a machine intelligent, we need to train it and we need to provide it information. So the correct option is C, both A and B. Alexa, Google Assistant, Cortana, Siri are some very common examples of dash type of assistants. Options are A. Voice, B. Visual, C. Spatial, and D. None of the above. And the correct response is voice assistant. Alexa, Google Assistant, Cortana, Siri, we all have seen them in our different types of devices and they take voice commands. So it is a voice assistant. 28th question. An intelligent machine is said to be able to option A. Collect data, B. Understand data, option C. Analyze data, D. Option all of the above. And as we are all aware, an intelligent machine can collect data, understand data, and analyze data. So the correct option is D. All of the above. 29th question. AI systems are made up of option A. Machines, hardware and software, option B. Only software, option C. Only hardware, option D. Only machine. So what is the correct option? And the correct answer is option A. Machines, hardware and software. Artificial intelligence comprises of machines, hardware and software. Question 30. Dash is the first humanoid robot to have a citizenship. Option A. Sophia, option B. Susiana, option C. Sohi, option D. Susie. So students, which of the above robots has been provided citizenship? And the correct response is Sophia. Sophia is the first humanoid robot and which has also been granted citizenship. To add to this, I would also like to tell you in a few days ago there was news about Sophia also looking forward to have a baby robot. Dash includes our past experience, intuition, knowledge, and self-awareness. The options are option A. Habits, option B. Behavior, option C. Information, option D. Nature. Correct response is information. Information includes past experience, intuition, knowledge, and self-awareness. Which of the following is not an AI domain? A. Data science, B. Computer vision, C. Natural language processing, D. normal language programming? And the correct answer is normal language programming. There is no such term as normal language programming. The other three, data science, computer vision, and natural language processing, form part of the AI domain. Question 32. Which of the following AI domain collects data, maintains the data sets, and derives the meaning out of it? Option A, data science. Option B, computer vision. Option C, natural language processing. Option D, neural networks. Data sciences or statistics is the correct answer for this. 34th question. Which of the following is AI enabled? Option A, washing machine. Option B, Siri. Option C, air conditioner. Option D, smart TV. The correct option is Siri, which is artificially intelligent. All others are machines which have not been enabled by AI. They are automated machines. DL abbreviation stands for dark learning, deep learning, deep language, or dark language. Which of the options is correct? DL stands for deep learning. Artificial intelligence is a subset of machine language. Is this statement true or false? This statement is false, as we all are aware that machine language is a subset of artificial intelligence, and not that artificial intelligence is a subset of machine language. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence which enables machines to improve at tasks with experience. Is this statement true or false? This statement holds true, as was explained in the previous question also, that machine learning is a subset of AI. The intention of dash learning is to enable machines to learn by themselves using the provided data and make accurate predictions or decisions. A, deep learning. B, machine learning. C, both A and B. And D, none of the above. The correct response is machine learning. Machine learning allows the machine to learn by providing it data and hence making accurate predictions or decisions. 39. In deep learning, the machine is not trained with huge amounts of data, which helps it in training itself around the data. Is this true or false? The correct option is B, which is false. Fill in the blanks. Not everything that is dash will be dash. The options are option A, machine learning and deep learning. Option B, deep learning and machine learning. Option C, computer vision and machine learning. Option D, computer vision or deep learning. The statement will go as not everything that is machine learning will be deep learning. So the correct option is A, machine learning and then deep learning. The next video will be on AI project cycle. Students, thanks a lot. Like, subscribe and share this channel with your friends. Thank you.